Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an Etsy shop. First, navigate to Etsy's website and click Sell on Etsy, then open your Etsy shop. You will create an account, providing your email, your name, and a secure password. Next, choose your shop's primary language, your country, and your preferred currency. Finally, select a creative and unique shop name that clearly reflects your brand. This is an exciting and crucial first step towards building your online presence. Now it's time to add your first product. Begin by uploading at least 5 clear, well-lit photos that truly capture your item's essence. Write a captivating title and a thorough description, answering potential buyer questions about size, materials, and purpose. Set your price and carefully calculate shipping costs. Utilize all 13 tag slots with descriptive keywords. This significantly helps customers discover your unique creations. Next, you need to establish essential shop policies, covering returns, exchanges, and processing times, providing clarity for your customers. Connect a reliable payment method, such as Etsy Payments or PayPal, to seamlessly receive funds from your sales. Be aware of the listing fee, which is 20 cents per item, and a 6.5% transaction fee on each sale. These details ensure a smooth operational flow for your new business. Before launching, fill out your About section, sharing your story and inspiration behind your creations. This builds connection. Write a welcoming shop announcement to greet visitors. Once everything is perfect, officially open your shop. Actively promote your listings on social media platforms like Instagram or Pinterest. Continuously analyze your statistics, engage with customer feedback, and consistently add new products to keep your shop fresh and thriving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.